Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Captain Redbeard and I am back with a little demonstration tutorial of something that I just discovered myself playing around with some fireworks. What I have here is an empty Roman candle tube and two firecrackers. Just, these, firecrackers. Anyway, what I do, I'm just going to walk you through it for right now. I'm not going to do it inside my house. I'll take you outside for that and the demonstration. But I have discovered if you leave one right here like that at the tip, light it, let it drop down in there, and then immediately drop another one, fuse first inside, and hold it out like that, the bottom one will ignite the fuse for the top second one. The bottom one will explode, sending the second one flying through the air. Sometimes it'll land and explode, sometimes it'll pop in the air and explode. But we are about to go do that. I'm going to see if I can figure out this camera. Yes, I'm still trying to learn all of this stuff. I'm using my phone right now, so bear with me, please. Alright, we are outside. Let us begin, shall we? That one was a fail. I failed to put the firecracker in there in enough time. I got some more firecrackers. Let's try that one more time. Perfect. Or not. I'm gonna get this till I get it. There we go. And my tube finally fired back through after about, 50 shots. So, I'm gonna have to use a new one. Wasn't a perfect demonstration video, but it was a demonstration video brought to you by me, Captain Redbeard. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.